This is a case of a gentle lady, age about 29 years, has been suffering from allergic cough. Allergic cough, she is thirstless. She is thirstless, mild temperament, consolation, amelioration, and prefers open air instead of closing the doors and windows. So mild temperament, consolation aggravates, open air, weeping disposition, all are written here. Mild temperament, consolation, amelioration, open air prefers, weeping disposition, prefers a high pillow, all symptoms go in favor of particular. And moreover, she is thirstless. She is thirstless. So whatever may be the disease, may it be allergic or any kinds of disease, our main motto is treat the patient by the symptom similarity. So the similimum medicine in this case is no doubt pulse. So I do like to prescribe pulse in 50 millisimal scale of potencies once daily in the morning, and let's see the result. Previously, one physician who prescribed only Natramur time and again, and that is the wrong prescription, and she is not at all a Natramur patient. So please look after the case very carefully and select your medicine very carefully. The pulsatilla patient, if you prescribe Natramur, no doubt no benefit will be you expect from the medicine. So let's prescribe pulse and let's see the result. I shall share with my friends.